Hello kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kids Learning. Kids, in today's video, we are going to learn about the letter S. S. It's a capital S and it's a small s. Kids, do you know how S sounds? S. S. Kids, let's learn more words that start with letter S. Snake. Snake. S is for snake. Sun. Sun. S is for sun. Strawberry. Strawberry. S is for strawberry. Spider. Spider. S is for spider. Ship. Ship. S is for ship. Shark. Shark. S is for shark.
Thank you for watching. To watch more like this video, like, share, subscribe to my channel.